Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a tutorial on how I do my eyebrows. I've done a few of these videos in the past. I think the last time that I showed you guys how I do my eyebrows was in one of my vlogs from Vlogmas. So it's been a couple months and I thought I would update you guys on how I do my brows again. And I used to make them super incredibly thick, and now I'm trying to keep them on the thinner side, but they're still thick because that's just my natural eyebrow. But I like to keep them a little bit slimmer just because I feel like it looks better. When they were super thick, they were just taking over my whole face and I did not like it. So I'm kind of over that, and I am working with this brow now and I love it. I used to do my brows before I started my makeup at all, and now I actually do the primer, foundation, concealer, all of that, and then I do my brows, and then I finish my powder and go in with all of the other powders for the face, like bronzer and contour and blush and highlight, all that stuff. So yeah, a couple weeks ago someone asked me how I do my brows, and I just thought I'd make another tutorial for you guys, and I really hope it's easy for you guys to follow. I think it's really important to have a good eyebrow shape that you can start with. If you just have kind of regular unkept eyebrows, then it might be a little more difficult to aim for something like this that is very shaped and bold and structured, I guess, if you want to call it that. I actually don't go into the grooming process of my eyebrows in this tutorial. I'm pretty much just going to show you guys how I fill them in. So I really hope you guys find this tutorial easy and try it out. And when you try it out, make sure to let me know how it goes. And yeah, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get right on into the video. guys, if you know the outro, then go ahead and sing it along with me. If you like the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already, and don't forget to turn on post notifications. Leave a comment down below telling me what kind of video you would like to see next, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!